Hey everybody, I'm Chris from Wolfe Ridge Manufacturing, and this weekend we were out at the Boonville show, the NYS Woodsman's Fields Days in Boonville, New York, and man, we had a great weekend. I really want to thank everybody for coming out. I got some footage here, just little snippets of the show grounds here. I hope you all enjoy the show here, and I want to thank everybody that came out. We had 10 people pre-order their machines to pick up here, and we brought a few other machines along. Those all went to new homes, so we had a great weekend, and we're looking forward to the next show coming up. We have the Great Lakes show in Escanaba, Michigan. I think we might still have one spot left available to buy a machine there. I'm not quite sure on that. You'll have to talk to sales. Give Ben a call if you want to get a machine delivered to that show. We also have a couple openings left for the Paul Bunyan show coming up in Ohio. And of course, we've been working hard to bring our lead times down, make sure that you're going to be able to get your new wood splitter from us here at Wolfe Ridge. Get it this fall yet. If you order now, we still have openings for November. So you could have a new machine rocking out some firewood for you this winter yet, the end of this fall. So hit up our website, and that's wolferidgemfg.com, and check out. We have all the prices, dealer information, videos, you name it. And of course, we have all of our merchandise on there as well. But I'm gonna walk around a little bit, show you guys some of this stuff, and hope you guys enjoy. Hang tight. try and straighten that out. Hey guys, thank you. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed that walk around to the show. We're back here at our booth now. Gonna start getting packed up here, ready to go home. We're gonna get this, we're donating this pile of wood via Phil's Firewood up in Watertown, New York. You saw their processor running with Andrew Clement at Phil's Firewood. He was running that big Multitek machine that you saw earlier. I wanna thank them for helping us out, getting us some logs up here so we can do some demos, and we're gonna donate this pile of firewood here. We're gonna donate that to the Log-A-Load for Kids auction. They will be auctioning off this cord of firewood later on today, and great to help them out. A few more machines getting picked up here at the show today, and then we're gonna be hitting the road back to Wisconsin and getting back to work, filling your orders. Right now, we're at about a 12-week lead time on new wood splitters. So if you haven't done so already, please check out our website and then hit that subscribe button if you like these videos. It'd be great to have you following along on our channel. And I want to thank everybody who already does that, and all of our support over the years has been amazing. So thanks so much, you guys. We'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.